Hello and welcome to Piano by Clay. I put together this chord cheat sheet to help you as you're learning how to play in the fake book style. So whenever we see a variety of chord symbols, you will know which notes to play in your left hand. We'll start with the C major chord. The C major chord is built up of the root note C, the third note E, and the fifth note G. And we know which notes these are based on the C scale. So let me show you the C scale. So the C scale starts here at C, goes C, D, E, F, G, A, B, C. To build our C major chord, we always start with the root note. The chord symbol is a great way to start. It tells us what the root note is. So the chord is a C chord, so we know the root note is C. This is the first note of the C scale. Now, to build the rest of the chord, we next move to the third note of the C scale. So we have C is 1, D is 2, and then E is the third note. So we'll play C and E together. And then we move to the fifth note of the scale. F is the fourth note, G is the fifth note. So we have C, E, G. That's it, pretty simple. So based on this pattern, we can play any chord. Moving down to this D flat chord. So D flat or C sharp. But the D flat chord, the root note is D flat. We know the D flat scale, so the third note of the D flat scale is F. And the fifth note of the D flat scale is A flat. So a D flat chord is D flat in the root, F, and A flat. Now what I've done here to also provide you is hard to see on the video, but the cheat sheet has shaded keys to know which keys to play on the piano to help you along as well. So to play a minor chord, let's look at C minor. The C minor chord. So in order to play a minor chord, all we do is we flat the third note. And what does that mean? Let me show you on the piano. So we have our C. You start with if you're playing C minor, you just start with C. And we remember that C is the C chord. C, E, G. We flat the third note. The third note is E. To flat it, we move it down 1/2 step. And 1/2 step turns into E flat. So now C minor. C, E flat, G. Very dark and foreboding chord, right? Minor. So the cheat sheet I've assembled here, we have all the major and minor chords. So as you're looking through your fake book lead sheet and you see chord symbols, you'll know which notes to play. Thanks.